So you're not sure how to copy and paste from a Word document, a PDF, or another website into your own website? Well, keep watching and I'll tell you how. Hey guys, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. I'm Izzy, and today I'm going to be talking all about how to copy and paste from a Word doc, a PDF, or even your old website into your new website. I'm going to be using Divi and WordPress as my examples just because that's what we use, but it's also super user-friendly. Even I, the lowly social media girl who has no experience with code or website building, could use it. And if you don't know what Divi is, it's basically a website builder that functions as a visual editor for WordPress. Kind of has a drag and drop interface, so it makes copy and pasting so much easier and you don't need to know how to write code. The best part about copying and pasting, whether it's from a Word doc, a PDF, or another website, is that the process is basically the same. The only thing you need to watch out for with each one is the different formatting. So the first step that you're going to want to take when you're copying is take whatever you're copying and put it into a plain text editor. By putting your content into a plain text editor, it takes away any unnecessary code and also gets rid of any formatting that would otherwise look super wonky when you transferred it onto your website. And once you're done with that, all you have to do is paste it, and again, if you're using Divi, super easy. Control V. You would use this method again with a PDF or another website, just putting it into a plain text editor, getting rid of any of that extra code, and then when you're back in Divi, you're able to modify and redesign it however you like. And our last two tips for you guys, they're kind of just like general best practices when it comes to things like this, is you're always going to want to preview your changes. By catching inconsistencies when they come out of the plain text editor instead of after you put it onto your website, you're just saving yourself some time. This one is also kind of common sense, but just make sure that you always have backups of your content. Even if you end up moving everything over from one thing to another, you never know, you might need to look back at another font, at what you said, you might want to change things out, and it's always good to have backups. So in conclusion, when it comes to copying and pasting anything, you're always going to want to paste it as plain text. It minimizes formatting issues, and you're also just able to work on a clean, blank slate when it comes to redesigning and restyling your website. That's all from me for today, but I will see you guys next week with another Tip Tuesday.